Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to use the wizard to create a find duplicates query in Microsoft Access. Let's open up Access by going to our Start button. Select All Programs. Let's go to Microsoft Office. We're just going to launch Access. I have a database already created. And in this database, I have a single table that has two fields. So if I open up tables, and I open up table 1, I have two fields here. The first one is an ID field, and the second one is a text field. As you can see, I've got the text Dave repeated 4 times, Bill repeated twice, and then William is not repeated at all. So what I'm going to do is create a query that's going to show me these rows right here because they have duplicate values in them. Let's close out of our table. Let's select the Queries area here under Objects and then click on New. This pulls up the types of queries you can create. The one I want is a Find Duplicates query. Select it and say OK. We're going to operate on Table 1. So just say Next. It's going to ask you which field do you want to search for duplicates. These aren't the fields you want to include in the query, but the ones you want to search for duplicates. We just want to search the text field for duplicates. The next screen asks you, are there any other fields you want to include in your query? I want to include the ID field. This one will not be searched for duplicates. It'll just be shown in the query. Say Next. And select View the Results, and you can even name your query something else. As you can see, it's pulled up the results of my query. Bill is listed, as well as the IDs of the rows that Bill appears in, and Dave is listed, as well as those IDs. As you can see, William is left off because it's not duplicated anywhere. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to use the wizard to create a Find Duplicates query in Microsoft Access.